So I have the Garmin Forerunner 255, and I'll be showing you today how to remove and change these wristbands. Okay, so let's say you want to change the bands. So to remove the bands, simply flip over the watch, and then your main point of interest should be this little shiny piece of metal here. Now what you want to do is dig your nail slightly into that piece of metal and push it like this. Just push it backwards, and that's going to release the pin from here, and then you can simply lift up the strap or the band. Okay, so let's do it together. So dig your nail in a little, push it downwards, and then simply lift off the strap. And once one side is come off, you can simply remove the other side just like that. Same goes for the other side. There's going to be this little thing. You can simply push it to the side and then lift up one side, and then it comes off just like that. And that's basically how you can remove and also change the bands of your Garmin Forerunner 255. Now to put them back, it's almost more or less the same process. So just hold your watch backwards just like that, and then what you want to do is first of all enter the other side. Make sure it aligns with the hole just like that, and once you do that and all you're remaining with is this side, again push it back, and once you push it back you can now fit it in, and make sure you just move it around until it gets into that hole and it's now firmly and secure in place. Then go to the other side and do the same thing. So hold the watch like that. Fix this side first like that. Beg your pardon, let me do it again. Fix that side first, and then for this other side again, put your nail in there, push it back, and then fix it. You'll hear it clip in place and the bands are back. And that's basically how you can remove and also change the bands of your Garmin Forerunner 255. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.